Donald Trump is in court today. It's about the payment of $130,000 of so-called hush money to Stormy Daniels, a payment made by Mr. Trump's lawyer at the time. I'm joined by Mike Davis, former clerk to the United States Supreme Court and founder of conservative legal advocacy group Article 3 Project. Mike, Elon Musk has come out very publicly saying this is lawfare, that the judge who's overseeing this case has been a donor to the Democrats, and that this thing is highly politicized. There's no argument about that. We can all see that from both sides of the pond. The question I want to ask you is, was this payment of $130,000 made to Stormy Daniels? And if it was, do you believe President Trump knew about it?
Even if this payment were made to Stormy Daniels in 2016, this would be a settlement of a nuisance claim, which happens all the time in American business. And this payment from 2016, this alleged payment, is somehow being transformed from what is at best a bookkeeping misdemeanor under New York law into 34 felonies with a convoluted, I would say bogus legal theory that was passed over by the prior Manhattan District Attorney, the Manhattan U.S. Attorney, the Federal Election Commission, and Alvin Bragg himself until Matthew Colangelo got deployed from the Biden Justice Department, a very senior political appointee in the Biden Justice Department, to resurrect this zombie case against Trump during an election year. This is obviously Democrat lawfare. It's obviously election interference. And this Democrat Manhattan judge, as you said, donated to President Biden and another anti-Trump cause, and his daughter has an illegal financial stake in this criminal prosecution.
Extraordinary state of affairs. What would happen if Trump was found guilty?
Well, there's no question that with this biased, George Soros-funded prosecutor Alvin Bragg, Matthew Colangelo, this Democrat operative judge who has a clear bias, whose daughter has a big financial stake in this criminal prosecution, with a jury pool that's 85% against Trump, there's no question he's going to be found guilty. Right. It's going to get reversed on appeal, but maybe not before the election.
It's going to be a mess. Mike, come back and see us for a longer period of time as this thing develops, please.